A startup is an entity that can be private in partnership or limited liability partnership LLP, which was opened less than 5 years ago, has an annual turnover less than 25 crore and is headquartered in India. The company Startup India was first announced by the Prime Minister of India on the occasion of Independence Day in the year 2015 to promote startups in India. The action plan of this initiative is mainly based on the three pillars, that is simplification and hand holding, funding, support and incentive, and industry academia partnership and incubation. This scheme has various advantages, including self-certification, a 3-year exemption from inspections, and online portal, mobile app support, a single point hub for hand holding, etc. Also, no inspection would be carried out on startups for 3 years. Regarding the labor laws and the environment law, compliance will be required only after self-certification. An added field of focus relating to this comparison is to cut the prohibitive state government policies within the domain, such as license Raj land permissions, foreign investment proposals, and environmental क्लियरेंसेस. आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. ओके, स्टार्टअप इंडिया यहाँ से लेकर के सारे धीरे धीरे करके स्क्रीनशॉट खींच लें. ओके, चलिए अब हम कंक्लूजन पे जा रहे हैं. द इनिशिएटिव स्टार्टअप इंडिया इज अबाउट formulate prosperity in India. It has given enormous opportunities to the enterprising youth who dream of starting their own business but had limited resources to carry it out. The scheme has been a success since it was first introduced and has benefited many entrepreneurs across the country to set up their own enterprises, and has also provided jobs to many jobless citizens of the country. So in total, the initiative, with prospective support at multiple levels, has contributed a lot to wealth creation, economic growth, and employment जनरेशन इन इंडिया. ओके, तो लास्ट वाला का अच्छे से स्क्रीनशॉट खींच लें यहाँ से, द इनिशिएटिव से. द इनिशिएटिव स्टार्टअप इंडिया इज अबाउट फॉर्मुलेटिव प्रॉस्पेरिटी. यहाँ से अच्छे से स्क्रीनशॉट आप लोग धीरे धीरे करके खींच लें. ओके, ओके गाइज, तो कल मैं आपको सेफ्टी ऑफ वोमेन के बारे में ऐसे लिखवाऊँगा। ओके, बाय, टेक केयर। और आप लोग ना चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और लाइक कीजिएगा, जितना हो सके शेयर कीजिएगा, जिससे मुझे और मोटिवेट हो सके।